अगर मैं बोलूं कि आपको नेटफ्लिक्स में एक मूवी वॉच करनी है, सो विल यू प्रोक्रास्टिनेट? No. Multitasking is something that we feel cool and smart about doing. Your dopamine जो आपके काम में लगना चाहिए था to make your काम efficient, to make your work productive, वो चीज आप वेस्ट कर देते हो. Hello everyone, this is Vardhan. In this video, I will be sharing with you the best ways to stay productive. आप कोई भी काम कर रहे हो, किसी भी काम में सक्सेस पाना हो, चाहे you are studying, चाहे you are working professional, then these 6 things are the biggest time wasters for you. And if you're stuck inside these things not knowing they are illusions, they are not something genuine to be stuck at, and they are just illusions to stop you, then you won't be able to overcome it. So you have to first understand that all these 6 big things are just illusions and it is stopping you from growing. Okay, so in this video we'll be understanding what are these 6 illusions and how you can overcome it. In fact, what you can do instead of it so that you become more productive and you achieve more results in less time. So without any more delay, let's get started. So first of all, the biggest time waster for you is procrastination. You are wasting your time delaying your important task, just thinking that you can do it later on. And over the time, procrastination only increases your stress and anxiety levels. So it's better to do your task right now, right when you feel like you've got the task and it's the time to do it. Okay, don't procrastinate it. And you know what? Procrastination has a very perfect root, which is interest. If you are procrastinating in doing something, इसका यही मतलब है कि आपको उस काम में interest नहीं है. If you can develop interest in that work, you are like never procrastinating for it. Like अगर मैं बोलूँ कि आपको Netflix में एक movie watch करनी है, so will you procrastinate? No. Okay, you will be like कि चलो देख लेते हैं. But if I say that you have to do your homework or do your office assignment, then you are like, okay, let's do it 5 minutes later or maybe half an hour later, you know. So you have to understand that you have to first develop the interest. Okay. Once you develop the interest, the procrastination word will be like gone from your life. Anything that you're interested in, you are not procrastinating. Only if you are procrastinating, this means you are not interested in that work. Now, what's the solution for it? Make your whole bunch of tasks into smaller pieces, into manageable steps. And there are a lot of techniques like Pomodoro method. Do your tasks for the first 25 minutes and take a 5 minutes break. And then again do it 25 minutes and then again take a 5 minutes break. And this works amazing. I've tried it a lot, and every time I feel like I have to complete this task, I use the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes, then 5 minutes break, again 25 minutes work and then break. So this way you'll be able to easily go through your task without even procrastinating. But one bonus tip: set a deadline. If you really don't want to procrastinate, set a deadline that I have to complete this task within 1 day or within 1 week or within, like 6 hours. So set a deadline. This way you'll not be procrastinating. So this was the first biggest time waster. Let's come to the second one, which is multitasking. Again, your best friend. Multitasking is something that we feel cool and smart about doing, or we say that we are smart, that हम लोग तो बहुत सारे काम एक साथ कर लेते हैं. But you have to understand, brain is switching. आप जब एक काम पर ध्यान दे रहे होते हो, तो आप एक ही काम पर ध्यान दे रहे होते हो. You are not focusing on the other task. It's like switching your brain. So brain is actually doing one thing at a time only, but it is switching, which is आपको पता नहीं चलती. So efficiency lacks. Okay, and you know what the sad reality is? It's a huge illusion that multitasking makes it easy for you. No, it's make your task lengthy. One day I thought that I will be writing something like repeated writing, like chanting kind of thing. I was writing I am relaxed, I am relaxed, I am calm and all. So I was like writing ये तो करना है, थोड़ा साइड में कोई सीरीज चला देते या मे बी लाइक यूट्यूब वीडियोस वगैरह व्लॉग्स आते हैं, ठीक है. सो आई वाज कुछ तो मैंने वीडियो वहां पे चला दिया, एंड आई वाज लाइक समटाइम्स राइटिंग एंड समटाइम्स वॉचिंग, समटाइम writing, sometime watching. And then I realized that अगर मैं पहले पूरा एक पेज लिख लेती, then it would have saved me time because I had to watch that video once again fully because I was not focused at all in that video, and then God knows what had happened to my writing also. So that is why you are in an illusion that आप दो काम एक साथ कर सकते हो, but it is not like that. Your brain keeps switching. अगर आप इसका आधा सुन रहे हो and इसमें आधा कर रहे हो, it's like, mismatch, and you're like not even doing this task perfectly, not even doing that task efficiently. So it is clearly just a time waster. And instead of reducing your time, it increases your time. So it would take me half the time to write, and then I would have completely like आराम से मैंने watch कर लेना था जो series मैं देख रही थी. But still it took me more time to write, and once again I had to watch that video also. So this is how you have to understand from other people's lesson only, my mistake only, that you should not do multitasking. It is not recommended at all. So solution, do one thing at a time and you will be always efficient in that, and the quality of your work will also go higher. Obviously, prioritize your task. Which task is important or urgent, do it first if it is very important, or maybe urgent hai to maybe delegate it to someone, and classify, categorize of what you have to do, what is really important. जो important है पहले first do that and then move on to the next thing. In fact, in work as well, never do multitasking. Always categorize your project into which one to do first and second, and like that complete one thing at a time and then move on to the next. So this is the biggest time waster and its solution. And let's move on to the third one. Well, third one is the king: excessive social media use. It literally distracts you from your tasks and consumes a lot of significant time of yours, and you're like, it's a huge illusion, huge time waster, and you never realize how much time you spent in that stuff. And you know what? Not just your time, but your brain energy drains there. Your dopamine, जो आपके काम में लगना चाहिए था to make your काम efficient, to make your work productive, वो चीज आप waste कर देते हो social media पे, reel scrolling पे, and then you get back to your work and you are like, I'm drained out, man, because you chose social media first. So just have to change the priority. Social media, okay, you have to watch it, okay, watch your reels, but first complete your task. The only solution for this is to prioritize that social media is not the thing. It's an illusion. It's an imaginary virtual world without any productive outcome. You're just spending your time over there. So snap out of that and start prioritizing. First, complete your biggest important task so that you don't drain your energy over there. Do your task productively, efficiently, because the dopamine is required in every task that you do. If that dopamine is already drained and used in social media and reel scrolling, then obviously your work is not going to be on point. Obviously, fix some time that, let's say 15 मिनट के लिए सिर्फ मैं हर एक घंटे में सिर्फ 5 मिनट के लिए, ठीक है, I will watch social media, that's all. And there are a lot of apps also that come to monitor your usage, data usage, or maybe social media usage. जैसे अभी YouTube में भी आ गया, it's time to, like you're using too much, so it's time to stop. So use all of these stuff. And one more thing that you can do is engage yourself in some physical activities. Like if offline activities will be there, you will be more distant from your mobile phones or, devices, and you will be like by default away from social media. So make sure that you're keeping your phones away and you're like physical environment you're working. Okay. And even if you have to do some digital work, then it's your willpower that will stop you from using social media. Okay. So this was the third biggest time waster. Let's move on to the fourth one, which is unnecessary meetings or more calls. If you are busy on speaking to someone on some random topic, then stop doing that. It's an illusion. You don't realize where your time goes, okay, and how much time you speak to someone. And unnecessary meetings, like where your significance is not that much, okay. So categorize that which meetings are important for you and what are not. And a lot of time when you're engaged in all of these stuff which are unproductive, you're like draining your energy and you are like decreasing your motivation and willpower as well, because you're already drained out, man. So you have to understand that make your presence felt only when it is highly required, or maybe you are significant in that place. Okay. Solution again, you have to attend only the meetings that are essential. Ensure that the meetings have agenda and a purpose to actually fulfill. Or you can simply send an email or talk that, is it okay if I don't attend because I have some important work? That's all. It's so easy. You have to just say no. and focus on the most productive task that you have. And you know what the secret is? These all things only happen when you're very serious, interested, and invested into your work. Or maybe if you're a student, then your studies. So you're like not distracted by default because you understand the garima of your work. Now let's move on to the fifth time waster, which is perfectionism, the blaster. Now this perfectionism is a huge time waster. You have to understand that version 1 is better than version none. If you are looking for perfection, then ये याद रखिए कि अगर आप कुछ भी create नहीं कर रहे हो, as compared to आपने कुछ तो create किया है, that matters a lot. And again, perfectionism leads you to overthink, okay? And it is completely time waster because you have to understand that quantity breeds quality. Perfectionism stops you from making quantity of something. If you're not practicing, then how can you be perfect? You have to first build quantity. Okay, then you will build quality. Like for example, if you're creating videos, then one video you are expecting quality? No, it will not happen. It's inevitable that only with your 10th, 11th, 100th video, you'll be like getting the best one. So perfectionism is a huge illusion. It just stops you from doing your task and to completing it. So don't fall for it. You cannot prevent progress due to fear of failures. Okay, just because you can fail and just because it's not up to the mark, up to your mark, your level, your benchmark, and you're not doing the tasks, then you're a fool. You're making yourself a fool. So better select realistic goals and deadlines that within this amount of time I have to complete this work, and focus on progress rather than perfection. Remember always two things. If you're creating something new, then understand that version 1 is better than version none. You'll keep falling for perfectionism. You'll like creating no version of anything that you're creating. But if you create version 1, then you will understand, okay, these are the areas that I have made mistakes and I have to improve it later on. This is how you progress and this is how you perfect yourself. It's not on one go. It's like you first create one thing and then look for mistakes and then you perfect it. It's not like that कि कोई काम कर रहे हो उसको पूरा ही नहीं किया, शो ही नहीं कर रहे हो and you're like perfecting it. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. You have to first complete it and then look for इसको कैसे perfect किया जाए. ठीक है, तो वैसे perfectionism आता है. ये वाला जो perfectionism है कि काम करने से पहले we are looking for how it looks best, ये illusion है. So fix your mindset on progress. This is the solution. Don't be perfect क्योंकि सबके perfect को देखने का मार्क अलग अलग है. जो चीज हो सकता है मेरे लिए परफेक्ट हो आपके लिए ना हो, या फिर आपके लिए परफेक्ट हो मेरे लिए थोड़ा बहुत ज्यादा ही हो या बहुत कम ही हो. ठीक है, अल्टीमेटली व्हाट मैटर्स इज योर प्रोग्रेस एंड दैट्स हाउ यू रियली परफेक्ट and progress. Now, the next time waster that most of us don't realize or understand is lack of planning. Yes, lack of planning. कि हो तो जाएगा. Let's play it by ear. It doesn't happen like that. You have to set an agenda. See, if you are someone who is really responsible, aware, interested in their work, then you have a particular agenda. You have a priority list that I have to do this. You have a planning. In fact, remember this मूल mantra that if you're failing to plan, you're planning to fail only. अगर आपने जीतने के लिए कोई प्लान ही नहीं बनाया है, this means कि आपने किस चीज का प्लान बनाया है? डायरेक्ट फेल होने का. Okay, because ultimately it leads to inefficiency, disorganization. You will be like doing work in last minute or 11th hour में सब कुछ करना है. So planning is a must. The solution for it, use planners or digital tools आ गए अब तो बहुत सारे. Use calendars, Google is there. Just plan your things onto a daily, monthly or weekly basis or maybe hourly basis if possible, and be specific about what you have to do. And again, you can review and adjust your plans. And adjustments and reviews तो तभी होंगे ना जब आपने actual में कोई plan बनाया होगा. ठीक है, so plans को बनाना बहुत जरूरी है. आपके सामने क्लियर मैप होगा कि कहाँ मेरे को इंपॉर्टेंस देना है, कहाँ नहीं देना है. So it is very important. And if you're not planning, again आपका टाइम कहाँ जाता है, कहाँ नहीं, you're not tracking and you are wasting a lot of your time. So this was the 6 time waster, biggest time waster in your life that you will encounter. So you have to save yourself from these 6 time wasters. And in this day and age, you have to understand that you have to set your priority. And one of your priorities is actually building your brand, building your personality, for which you can check out the masterclass in the description box below. And you can register for it, attend it, where I'll be sharing with you the best ways you can establish your brand online digitally. If you're actually looking out for ways to make more money, to actually succeed in your career, then you will need the actual roadmap, and the roadmap you get inside the masterclass, which is completely free for you if you register right now with the link given in the description of this video. And if you like this video till this point, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel. Tell me in the comment section, was this video interesting for you and helpful for you at the same time? Then let me know so that I can create more of these videos so you can stay connected with me to grow yourself 360 degree. Okay, so as like I am a student, and what I learn and I improve in myself, I come and share with you all on this channel. So better connect with me on a deeper level, and you can attend my masterclass as well and stay subscribed and connected with me. Press the bell icon so that you do not miss any updates and you always be the first one to get my videos. So this is Vardhan Sahu signing off until we meet again.